Hi everyone, I'm astrologer N Baksh and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. This week from August 15 to August 21, 2024, we're going to see how the stars are influencing your career, health, love life and family. I've got some insights and tips that should help you make the most of the week ahead. So, let's jump in and find out what's in store for you. Let's move on to Sagittarius. Firstly, we'll discuss about your career and professional life. This week could be promising for professional growth. You might find opportunities to showcase your skills or take on new responsibilities. Maintain a proactive approach and be open to collaboration. Stay focused on your goals and avoid getting sidetracked by minor issues. Financially, you might experience stability. It is a good time to assess your investments and saving plans. Look for ways to enhance your financial security, avoid impulsive purchases, and focus on long term financial strategies. Relationships with family and loved ones could be harmonious. This is a favorable time for strengthening bonds and addressing any lingering issues. In romantic relationships, express your appreciation and maintain open communication. Your health is likely to be stable this week. Continue with your healthy habits and consider incorporating new wellness routines. Pay attention to any signs of stress and ensure that you are balancing work and relaxation. Some advices for you would be to embrace opportunities for professional growth and collaboration, manage your finances wisely, and plan for the future. Foster positive relationships with family and loved ones, and keep communication open. Maintain your health through balanced routines and stress management. On to Capricorn. Firstly, we'll discuss about your career and professional life. You may face some challenges at work this week. It is important to stay patient and avoid rushing decisions. Focus on problem solving and maintaining professionalism. Teamwork will be crucial, so be prepared to collaborate and address any conflicts diplomatically. Financially, it might be a week of careful planning. Review your budget and expenses to ensure that you are on track. Avoid making significant financial commitments or investments until you have a clearer picture. Prioritize saving and managing your resources efficiently. Family dynamics could require attention. You might encounter some disagreements or misunderstandings, so approach discussions with empathy and patience. In romantic relationships, work on building trust and communicating effectively to strengthen your bond. Health should be stable if you maintain a balanced lifestyle. However, be mindful of stress and avoid overworking yourself. Incorporate relaxation techniques and ensure that you are getting adequate rest to stay healthy. Some advices for you would be to stay calm and focused in your professional life, especially when you are facing challenges. Manage your finances with careful planning and avoid hasty decisions. Address family and relationship issues with patience and empathy. Prioritize your health by balancing work and relaxation. Let's move on to Aquarius. Firstly, we'll discuss about your career and professional life. This week might bring some changes or unexpected developments in your career. Stay adaptable and open to new ideas or projects. It is a good time to showcase your skills and take on leadership roles. Working could also play a significant role in advancing your professional goals. Financially, you may experience some fluctuations. Keep a close eye on your spending and avoid unnecessary expenses. It is wise to focus on budgeting and seek advice if needed. Consider reviewing your financial strategies to ensure long term stability. Family matters might need your attention. There could be some disagreements or emotional discussions. Approach these situations with understanding and patience. In your love life, strive for open communication and be supportive of your partner's needs. Your health should be relatively stable, but be mindful of stress levels. Ensure that you are incorporating relaxation and physical activity into your routine. Pay attention to your mental well being and make time for self care. Some advices for you would be to embrace changes and remain flexible in your career. Manage your finances carefully and avoid unnecessary expenditure. Address family and relationship matters with empathy and open communication. Focus on stress management and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's move on to our last horoscope of the week, Pisces. Firstly, we'll discuss about your career and professional life. This week may bring a boost in your career with opportunities to advance or take on new responsibilities. It is a good time to implement your ideas and showcase your talents. Be proactive and don't hesitate to take the lead on projects. Your financial situation looks promising with potential for gains or positive changes. It is a good time to review your investments and financial plans. Make sure to save and plan for future expenses. Family life may be harmonious with opportunities to strengthen relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones and address any issues with open communication. In your love life, things should be positive, with a chance for deeper connections and mutual understanding. Your overall health should be good, but it is important to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Pay attention to diet and exercise, ensure that you are not overworking yourself, and take time to relax and recharge. Some advices for you would be to take advantage of career opportunities and be proactive in your professional life. Keep a positive outlook on your finances and plan wisely. Foster strong family and romantic relationships through open communication. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and exercise. Thanks for watching this week's horoscope on Sitaro Ka Safar. I hope these insights for August 15 to August 21, 2024 give you a clear picture of what's coming up. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have. Drop them in the comment box. Catch you in the next video for more cosmic guidance.